real thin metal. It wouldn't last very long, but it's actually fucking working great. Used it a bunch.
I kind of wish we had gotten the bigger one though. The bigger one had like a round thing on the bottom where you could put your feet. Although this doesn't get too hot. Like I can put my feet up and it's like...
The small one's better.
You think the small one's better? It's kind of cool. It's got that grate thing. You can cook meat, but like also use it as a friggin' table just to put stuff on.
Cool. I put my shit on there.
Yeah. The shit on there is good. They have like 3 sizes of it. But this is the smallest one.
I don't see why you would need a bigger size than this.
That's true.
It's great.
Yeah. When did we get this? Like, has it been over a year?
I mean, it's been at least 12 to 14, 17, 18, 19 months.
Fire pit, grill, 3 sizes. Get you one.
I thought this was like